Pluriliteracies for Deeper Learning is a pedagogic approach which promotes deeper learning and the development of transferable 21st century knowledge and skills, such as critical and creative thinking, effective communication, collaboration, and responsibility. Our model is based on the idea that deeper learning and the development of transferable knowledge do not happen separately from learning academic content. On the contrary, our model proposes that mastering discipline-specific ways of constructing and communicating knowledge is the most effective way for learners to develop transferable knowledge and problem-solving skills. However, in order to construct knowledge, learners need to learn how to apply subject-specific skills and strategies in order to solve complex tasks. This enables them to develop and deepen their factual and conceptual understanding of subject content. Learning cannot be separated from language. According to our model, progression becomes visible as learners communicate knowledge and demonstrate mastery of skills and understanding. This understanding involves 1. The ability to critically extract and evaluate information from increasingly complex and multimodal texts. 2. Growing mastery of subject-specific genres and texts using an appropriate style. Our approach to deeper learning does not focus on cognitive skills alone. We adopt a holistic approach to learning which includes inter- as well as intrapersonal elements. This is why our Pluriliteracies model incorporates affective factors, including learner engagement, mastery orientation, and reflection, in order to emphasize the impact of well-being and mindsets on deeper learning. Educating for deeper learning and personal growth requires a shift in thinking about learners' and teachers' roles. It involves a highly proactive role by teachers which transcends the idea of guide on the side or facilitators of learning. What is needed are teachers as mentors who use dynamic and multidimensional scaffolding, feedback, and assessment to support deeper understanding and personal growth. Deeper learning occurs when learners are actively engaged in the process of constructing and communicating knowledge. As thinking develops from the concrete to the abstract, learners will be able to process content at an increasingly complex level. This involves languaging, which requires learners to demonstrate their understanding through a growing number of subject-related texts and genres. Deeper learning requires both teachers and learners to develop growth mindsets and to form partnerships. Such partnerships develop mentors and mentees who are engaged in the processes of co-constructing and communicating deeper understanding. Risk-taking and errors or mistakes are embraced as excellent opportunities for growth and learning. The Pluriliteracies model for deeper learning also stresses that pluriliteracies development evolves and can only be sustained when the 4 dimensions of the model are continuously integrated and active. This leads us towards ecologies for deeper learning, which create safe and inclusive spaces to allow learners of all ages and levels to advance their understanding through deep engagement, effort, and resilience. Progression in pluriliteracies encompasses increasing conceptual understanding and mastery of subject-specific procedures, skills, and strategies. This involves tasks which require learners to continuously engage in the major activity domains of the subjects. The activity domains are doing, organising, explaining, and arguing, each one with their own corresponding genres. It also involves a growing command of multimodal forms or representation, such as charts, maps, tables, formulas, drawings, etc., both analogue and digital. At the same time, deeper learning involves guiding learners to critically reflect on and self-regulate their own learning. Enabling learners to become pluriliterate will empower them to construct and communicate knowledge purposefully and successfully across subjects, languages, and cultures. Learning through another language, following a pluriliteracies approach, prepares learners for lifelong learning in multilingual societies as creative and responsible global citizens.